So another form of interaction with incoming light is refraction. So we talked a bit about scattering. Now we can talk about refraction. So scattering was, again, the interaction as light hit particles. It would bounce off in different directions. Refraction deals with light transmitted through a substance. So as it passes through a substance, if there is a change in density, so in this example, you have a flashlight shining into a cylinder of water. If it's coming at an angle, that angle will change and it will bend. Basically, that as it's entering that denser substance, in this case water, it changes the angle as it's passing through. And you can see that in this example. If there's an angle, it changes. If it's directly on, there's no angle to change. It will just continue to pass through. And the angles are maintained. So if you hit a mirror and bounce out, it will be the mirror of this angle. So that's contained. And this is particularly important for optical phenomenon like sundogs, halos, and a lot of things interacting with ice particles. And there'll be a chart later showing those ice particle interactions and how they work.